Hey loves, it's a girl Genevieve. I'm back with another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I take care of my acne and pimple face. Okay, I don't know what happened, like I'm having this breakout on my face. If you want to see that, guys, please keep on watching. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with beauty formulas. Okay, the brightening vitamin C micro polishing facial scrub. Okay, and then I have this brush that I got online. I really like it, so I'm going to be using it to apply the scrub on my face. Okay, so instead of using my hand, I'll just go on to use it. But guys, initially I've used hot water to dampen my face. I used a towel, deep in hot water to clean my face. Okay, I want to film this. I didn't know I was going to do that, but when I started, I'm like, why don't I just film it, just record how I do it. So I was like, okay, but then I'd already used hot water on my face. All right, so then I'm going out to apply this scrub. Okay, so with the help of this brush, I'm just gonna scrub all my face. Okay, I really love the scrub. It feels so soft on my face and it's really good. Like, I like it other than using my hand to massage the scrub on my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this and then apply the scrub all over my face and scrub it for like 3 minutes. Okay, alright, so the beauty formulas brightening vitamin C delivers an advanced skincare range, okay, to help you reveal your inner glow. So it utilizes micro polishing beads in a light foaming gel. As you can see, okay, it's just like a gel, so a gel that has foam in it. Okay, it foams up, so it delivers a stimulating exfoliation to the skin. It helps you shed dull skin, dead skin on the surface. Like if you have like dull skin or dead skin on the surface, so when you're using the scrub on your face, it's going to help you shed those dull or dead skin on the surface. All right, so it leaves you feeling radiant and renewed and gentle enough for everyday use. Okay, you can actually use it every day. Okay, but I don't advise you to use it every day. Okay, like this scrub, I usually use it for like 3 times in a week. Okay, so but if you want to use it every day, you can go on. Okay, that is what it says here. It's gentle enough for daily use. All right, but I don't use it every day. So after scrubbing it for like 2 to 3 minutes, I'll go on to rinse it off with clean warm water. Okay guys, so I have another of their products. Okay, the beauty formulas product. It's the oil control facial wash. Okay, so guys, I have oily skin. All right, I tend to produce a lot of oil on my face. Okay, so I'm trying to use some products that will actually reduce how I produce oil on my face, because it's not really good. Like sometimes it affects my makeup. Okay, after wearing makeup, before you know, my face becomes shiny, like too shiny. I know, yeah, sometimes it's good to have oil on your skin, like it tends to make your face shine or glow, but then when it's too much, it's not good. Okay, so I'm trying to reduce how I produce oil on my face. Okay, so this is really good, because after using this on my face, I felt so fresh. Like I felt so, my face became a bit dried up, and in a good way. So it has witch hazel in it, which is an oil controlling formula that helps clear away excess oil and grease that can block your pores. Okay, when you produce lots of oil on your face, sometimes you have like it feels greasy, like it feels sticky, and those things can tend to block your pores and cause some breakages on your face, like acne breakage or pimple and all that on your face. So I think that is what I'm facing right now. Like I tend to produce a lot of oil on my face, and it makes me to have pimples on my face, and then acne follow suit, and then I'll also start struggling to clearing up the dark spots on my face. Like it is really a struggle for me, guys. Like you don't want to know, like it's a struggle. But I just hope all this will help me out. I just hope it will help to reduce how I produce oil on my face, and also to help me from getting rid of pimples and acne on my face, which I would really love to. Yeah guys, so this is not a sponsored video. Okay, I just saw their product and I decided to try it out and see, because I'm trying a lot of things. Like this period, I have a lot of products I'm gonna try on my face, because I don't really would like my face looking this way. Alright, I'm gonna hit to wash it off. It feels so good. So it has this minty feel in it that I like my face feels so fresh. Okay guys, so the mask I'm going to be using is Bio Aqua Salicylic Acid Acne Removal Mask. Alright, and then guys, I got this facial roller and massager. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be using to massage my face. Okay, so guys, they came in two pairs, okay, two different types. So I'm gonna be using one of it, which is the long one. Okay, so next time on my next video, I'm gonna try out the other one. Okay, so I'm going on to apply the mask on my face. So guys, there's something I did here. You know, sometimes when some people want to apply mask, or when you want to apply mask on your face, if you go on to pull off the paper on it, it's going to be a little bit difficult for you to actually, you know, use it to cover up your face easily. Okay, so look at what I'm doing here, guys. I allowed the paper to be in it, but then I turned it up in a way that the paper will be in the front. Okay, so immediately I set it up in my face just the way it is. I then pull out the paper on it. Okay, so this makes it so easy to apply the mask. All right, so I've seen some people trying to apply their mask removing the paper first. When you remove the paper first, because of the wetness of it, it tends to fold up, and then you'll be struggling to apply that on your face. Okay, so it's going to take a lot longer time than doing it this way. I did like this way is just so easy and it's so fast. Okay, so this is an easy way to apply your mask on your face without struggling too much. Okay, all right guys, so after putting it on my face, I'm going out to use this face roller or face massager to massage my face and smoothen and make the mask lay smooth on my face. Alright, so this salicylic acid acne removal mask, it helps to fade acne marks. Alright, if you have acne marks on your face, it's gonna help you to fade it out, and then also you get rid of acne, shrink pores, soot, redness. Okay, so here I'm trying to use the massager to massage my face. Okay, so as to put in all those good stuff on the mask into my skin. All right, so I'm gonna do this, and afterwards I'll let it sit on my face for an hour, guys. Yes, okay, I let my mask sit on my face for an hour. Some leave it for 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or as long as they want to, but I always let my mask dry on my face. So whenever I want to do this, I do it when I have spare time. I do it when I'm not in a hurry to go out, so I'll allow it sit on my face and get dry, guys. Like I want all those good stuff into my skin. All right, I want it to work on my face, so I don't do it when I'm in a hurry. I don't do it when I'm going out, so I just do it when I have enough time. Okay, so guys, I'm done here. I'm just gonna allow it to sit on my face, and I'll be right back once it's dried up. Okay, once it's dried up, you will see how it's going to look. Okay, it's just going to be dried up, and you know, you notice that all those wetness, it's all gone. Okay, and where did they go? Right into my skin, guys. Here we go, guys. So this is how it's looking all dried up. Okay, you can see that it's looking white, like it's looking so dried, and all this good stuff has gone into my skin. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, seriously, I love this mask. Like the feel out on my face, like how my face was feeling was just everything. Like guys, I really love this mask. Like even when I was done with all the skincare stuff, like the way I was feeling, like the way my face was feeling was so fresh and smooth. And when I touch my face, it feels smooth. I know, yeah, the pimples are still there, like a little bit of it, they are still there. Like guys, they're not gonna go away like immediately. Okay, it's gonna take time. All right, so but I'm telling you guys, the feel, like after doing this, what I feel on my face, like how when I touch my face, how it feels, it's everything. Okay, so guys, here is me trying to do SS. Like I love this mask, like I really do like the mask, so I'm just trying to, you know, take out everything in it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out everything in it, you know, all those juicy stuffs in it, and then apply them right onto my skin. Okay, so afterwards I also use the roller to, you know, massage my face. Guys, I want all those good stuff to enter into my skin and work. Guys, I want to get rid of this spots, this marks, this acne, whatever my face, this stuffs on my face. Guys, I don't like the way my face is looking, so I just want to put all those things on my face. Okay, so don't mind how I'm doing my face. Okay, I'm just trying to, you know, massage my face. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a video of how you can reduce the, like if you have smile lines, if you have wrinkles on your face, you know, how you can reduce it, or you know, either like get rid of it or reduce the deepness. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. Okay, I've started to do it, but I've not really done it on camera. Okay, so I'm gonna do it on camera and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna record doing it. I'm gonna show you guys. There's some things you need to be doing in your face to reduce all those things. Okay, so when it becomes excess, it's not really good. So guys, I'm done with that. I'm going out with my aloe vera gel, guys. This is another thing. Like, this is another thing. A lot of people complain that aloe vera gel tends to darken them. So guys, please tell me in the comment section, have you used aloe vera gel before? Did it darken you? Because me, I'm saying something different. It doesn't darken me. I just love how it feels on my face, and then it dries up my oil. Like, it dries off the oil on my face. I love it. Like, this combo is really very beautiful. Like, it's very cool for my face. I really like it. So once I'm done applying the aloe vera gel on my face, I go on to still use the roller, you know, to massage my face. So when I was done with that, it's time to moisturize my face. So guys, I'm using the Beauty Formulas moisturizer. Okay, it's brightening vitamin C daily moisturizer. I'm gonna apply that on my face. Okay, so they said it's a light hydrating cream for soft supple skin every day. Okay, you can use it every day on your face to moisturize your face. And guys, this is good. Okay, I like it. It's really nice. I'm gonna put that on my face, and then afterwards, guys, I have my sunscreen. Guys, do not go out without your sunscreen. Okay, so after all this process, if you don't put on sunscreen on our face, we're not doing our face good. Okay, so guys, I'm going on with Dr. Rachel sunscreen. Okay, this sunscreen is really nice. Okay, I love it. It contains SPF 60. Okay, it has anti-aging properties in it, which is really good for us. Okay, you don't really need to wait to get old before you start using anti-aging properties or products that contain anti-aging properties in them. Okay, I'll go on to apply that on my face. And also another thing I like is the fact that it doesn't leave white cast. I've used sunscreen that leaves white cast on my face. Like, you have to wait for a long time before it clears off, and sometimes when you go out, people will notice that there's some whitish stuff in your face. But this, once you're done applying it, you see that it's just gonna melt into your skin. Alright guys, so this is how I take care of my face. Okay, I'm done with it, and this is it for this video, guys. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed. Also, give this video a thumbs up, comment good stuff in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next one, guys. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. Wow guys, look at that face, look at that glow. Oh my goodness, I love it. Bye.